Have you ever wondered what makes you, well, you? It all starts in your brain. This amazing organ is like the control center of your body, working behind the scenes to make everything happen. Your brain helps you think, learn, remember, and even feel emotions. Imagine it as a super smart computer that processes information. It has billions of tiny cells called neurons that send messages all day long. When you touch something hot, your brain quickly tells you to pull away. That's its job. Your brain also stores memories, like the fun times you've had with friends. But did you know it controls your dreams too? It's like a theater where your imagination runs wild while you sleep. The brain has different parts that do different things. The front part helps with thinking and planning, while the back part helps with seeing and hearing. It's also responsible for your feelings. When you're happy, sad, or excited, your brain is working hard to create those feelings. So next time you're playing, learning, or just having fun, remember, your brain is the superstar making it all possible. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you.